Hi everyone, welcome to Jan's page. Hope you all are doing good. Today we're going to see how to make spicy Manchurian with cauliflower. It is very tasty, quick and easy to make. Let's see what are the ingredients we need. 1 medium cauliflower cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 capsicum roughly chopped. 2 onions. These are the ingredients we need for the sauce. Now, for frying the cauliflower, we need all these ingredients. First is the corn flour, 1 tablespoon. Then comes the rice flour, 2 tablespoons. Salt as per taste. Now, turmeric, half a teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. And some water to sprinkle for the coating. We will be using these ingredients to fry the cauliflower. From cauliflower, we can make lot of dishes, but this one is my favorite and my kids love it too. Now for the sauce, we need all these. Let me show you. Chopped garlics, 1 tablespoon. Red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Ketchup, 2 tablespoons. Dark soya sauce, half a teaspoon. Start cooking. First, take a big bowl and put cauliflowers inside. Now add the red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and mix well. Now after this, we're going to add the rice flour and also the corn flour. We need to nicely mix both of them with the cauliflower so we get an even coating. Now add little bit of water and sprinkle and mix well and leave it to rest for at least 20 minutes before frying it. Now we need to fry it in hot oil. It takes couple of minutes. Drain it in a kitchen towel and allow it to rest for couple of minutes. Whenever we have a party in our house, I always make this recipe. Now we need to add some oil in a pan to toss the cauliflower with the sauces. Add the garlic as shown. Then comes the chili flakes. Let it sizzle for a couple of minutes. Nice garlic smell comes. So now we will add the ketchup and in goes the soya sauce now. Mix all the ingredients together and the sauces and let it sizzle for a couple of minutes. Now we're going to add the peppers. Nicely coat the peppers and the onions together. Cook until the peppers and the onions are softened a bit. Now add the cauliflower which we have fried already. So we need to mix the cauliflower with the onions and the pepper. Let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Cover the lid. Now it is ready to dish up. It is a gluten-free, vegan, easy dish. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. See you again soon in another video. Bye bye. Keep watching.